Then the TV range, in a quick look, this is what happened between 24 and 25. From products like this, we have several additions here, which are available in master product range. But as I said, and you also notice that we have a lot of new products on the market. So let's look first. This is the master range, what I call XCP, because we have X products, C products, and P products. So all the sizes, the specification, and so on. Then in online business, you will find a range which is called QTV. So because this is Q8, Q7, Q6, and then T, and then V is the entry one. Then in some other countries, you will also find range which we call QLED. So there are still some similarities, but also differences between these products. And then to continue with other exclusive requirements, the range ending with 9 and the range ending with 1. Why we have so many ranges? Because this is trade who ask us to do it, as in many cases they want to have products which are exclusive. So this is the way how the market works. So X11, then C8 and C9K, then comparison between C8K and C855, what we improved, what we changed, and what are new benefits for end users. Then C7K, which comes also as 115-inch, as we believe that we can make the product more accessible. By comparing products, you see from 115 down to 50, we have these products here. This is predecessor C765. You see here the major change is the AR finishing. So then the screen absorbs the light. New product C6K, which is coming as entry mini LED. In two versions, C6K with 144, 120 for motion, but there will be also 50 Hz version. We have it also here. Here you see the comparison with 50 Hz because there was no this kind of product available last year.